Hello.
I don't think it's gonna do it.
You got it. Gizzler Grass! Alright, so today we have a cold air intake, 100% recirculating, Boomba bypass valve, and a catch can, if we can get to that tonight. But I still have to drive this home tonight, and it's like, what, 10:15? It's about 10:15. So, yep, and he's already bleeding. We are 30 seconds into this. We just went ahead and pulled the quick clips. I'm about to climb under, pull some more quick clips, and we've got to get the scrape piece thing off and the metal plate underneath it to access the turbo. It's way down there. So we're gonna get this done on the Subaru. Here we go. Oh, yep, get my mascara done so I can go on camera. All right, so we are under the car. I need a light. Hold on, we gotta get a light. All right, we are under the car. We have the intake off. Now we have to pull a little hose right there. We gotta pull that bigger hose. We gotta pull the bigger hose right there, and we gotta pull this hose on the back right there where that band is, and then we're gonna put stuff back on it. So, oh, I'm blinding you. Then we're gonna put stuff back on it. Here's your phone. Thank you. You are so ready for this. Not yet. Bypass valve first. It took freaking forever, but we have a stock one out and the Boomba to go back in. It's all you, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hello. We wound up having to take this piece off. It did stuff that was in the way of stuff, and then that piece goes back up there onto stuff. I'd put that end in first.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm no plumber, but uh-oh. That goes in that, right? Okay. Hello.
Push, I can push. Yeah, that thing's a son of a gun. This part.
Can this open up more? I don't think that.
to.
I don't think that's stopping me though.
No, it's not.
That's turbo.
Hey, Gavin.
Yeah.
Put your foot here under the creeper so Hayden can actually push.
Go ahead.
There we go. Boink.
Got it?
It popped into play.
Alright, this is teamwork.
Thank you, Gavin.
You guys got the camera, you guys got the creeper. You guys got the foot. Hey, forget the guy with the foot. Yeah.
Never forget the guy with the foot.
Fetish.
Yeah. Gavin's got the foot. Steve.
You just said that right.
Oh. Bingo, dude.
Alright.
If that ain't in, then I don't want to be a part of it.
It's in.
Hey, I got a bounce. I got a bounce. See,
All right.
right?
Bye.
Be careful seeing.
See you, buddy.
I'm glad to see them scratches came in.
All right, so the air box is in there. Oh, dropped it. Air filter's in there. Got the MAF sensor screwed in. Pipe is run. Pipe is tight, and the Boomba is in there. Everything's plugged back up. He's putting in the last bolt for the air box, and we have to now put the tray and the bottom plate back in. So just a few bolts for six bolts and a bunch of body clips. So here we go.
Good to go.
Good to go. Oh man, that was a long freaking time. We had so many people here.
Yeah.
So many people doing so many things. You got the battery hooked up. Let's give her a start. Gavin, here you go. Stand up front, buddy. Gotta hear the front.
I got it on. Yeah. It blew that clamp off. It was tight.
Are you serious?
It was tight.
And we're going back in the video and we are re-watching that. Can you tighten it?
Yeah. It was tight, right?
Oh, yeah, that thing freaking broke, didn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like it's too tight, Gavin.
Can you guys see that? Okay, it was tight.
I'm sure it was tight, Gavin. No one's calling you a liar except for me. All right, let's pull this thing off and get it back on there. I've got another clamp. We'll just put a new clamp on it.
Good. Here.
Where did the new clamp?
Okay, new clamp.
New clamp.
New clamp.
All right. So we've got our essentials. We kind of ran out of time on finishing the video on the bypass and intake system, so here's that. I should turn off the exhaust and hear it that way. Shut my exhaust off for a second.